Welcome to class 8th. Today we will study our new chapter, that is chapter 9, subject verb agreement. A verb must agree with its subject in number and person. तो यहाँ पे सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब का यूज़ करते हैं, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ प्लूरल वर्ब का यूज़ करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, द डॉग बार्क्स. तो डॉग सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है, बार्क्स सिंगुलर वर्ब. द डॉग्स बार्क प्लूरल वर्ब सब्जेक्ट, bark plural verb. Verbs do not form their plural by adding an s as noun do. Singular verb, तो यहाँ पे to determine which verb is singular and which verb is plural, the trick is to think which verb you would use with he, she, it and which verb you would use with they. तो यहाँ पे singular verb he speaks, they speak, she is, was, it has. प्लूरल वर्ब में they are, they were, they have. द वर्ब am के साथ यूज़ किया जाता है द प्रोनाउन I. द वर्ब and its subject in a sentence must agree in person. So 3 categories of a person are given below. So we will understand with these categories. The first person, I read. Second person, you read. Third person, he or she reads. We read, you all read, they read. तो यहाँ पे you will notice that the first singular I and the second person you are exception. दो singular agrees with the plural verbs. ठीक है. Now the verb is plural if two or more singular subjects are joined by and. तो इसको हम एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे. राहुल एंड सचिन आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. तो यहाँ पे राहुल और सचिन जो है वो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है, एडिंग विद जॉइंट बाय एंड. और यहाँ पे एक वर्ब कौन सा यूज़ हो रहा है, प्लूरल वर्ब यूज़ हो रहा है यहाँ पे. द वर्ब इज सिंगुलर इफ द टू सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट सेपरेटेड बाय एंड रेफर टू द सेम पर्सन और थिंग. एग्जाम्पल, माई फ्रेंड एंड गाइड हैपन्स टू बी माई ब्रदर. तो यहाँ पे फ्रेंड और गाइड जो है वो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है, हैपन्स सिंगुलर वर्ब, ठीक है, रेफरिंग टू द सेम पर्सन, ब्रदर. The verb agrees with the first noun or a pronoun when the subject consists of two noun or pronoun joined by with or as well as. Example, my father with his brother has brought some land for farming. Father first noun, brother second noun, and we are using singular verb. The verb is singular. Verb यहाँ पे singular होता है in two cases. Two or more singular subjects are connected by or nor. Two singular subjects are connected by either or neither nor. Now, example, समय, विजय और नवीन organizes such event regularly. तो समय, विजय और नवीन, these are singular subject. ठीक है. Organizes singular verb. We are using singular verb. If two subjects connected by either or neither nor are of different person, then we use the verb that agrees with the subject nearest to the it. ठीक है. Example, either you or your brother are lying. तो you जो है it is a subject which is not nearest to the verb, whereas brother which is nearest to the verb are, which is in plural verb. In a sentence beginning with here and there. तो यहाँ पे जो शब्द here और there का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है, the subject is placed after the verb. तो इनके बाद plural form का, इनके बाद verb यूज़ होता है. So example है, here are the notebooks and the pencils. तो here के बाद we are using the verb. So notebook is the subject and pencil is the subject. The verb is singular if the subject begins with each, everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, someone, somebody, nobody and no one. Example, each of the girls has long hair. So each we are using has, which is a singular verb. The verb is singular if the sentence begins with much or little. Example, much of this topic has already been discussed. So much of this topic is the subject, has we are using singular verb. ठीक है. The verb is plural if the sentence begins with many, a few, several, both. Example, a few of my friends are joining me at the camp. तो यहाँ पे this is the subject, we are using the plural verb are. ठीक है. with this verb phrase. So we will study our new chapter, the next chapter, that is about the vocabulary, and in this chapter we will go through with some exercise. So our first exercise is circle the correct word. Someone who is shy and lack confidence. तो यहाँ पे जो correct term we will use, that is diffident. A tall and steep rock face or a cliff. The correct term we will use precipice. Third is a person who is unfortunate. The correct term we will use hapless. Someone who can easily be convinced to believe something. Correct word is gullible. Fifth is a conclusion based on unreasonable argument. The correct word is fallacy. ठीक है, thank you, that's all for today.